In this short guide, I'll show you how to set LibreWolf as your default browser on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. For Windows 10, move your mouse to the Start button and right-click, then choose Settings. In Settings, go to Apps and then click Default Apps. Scroll down to Web Browser and click the current browser listed, for example Google Chrome. From the list of available browsers, select LibreWolf. Once you choose LibreWolf, links and HTML files should open in LibreWolf by default. For Windows 11, the process is slightly different. Open Settings by right-clicking the Start button and choosing Settings, then select Apps from the left sidebar and click Default Apps. In the search box, type LibreWolf and click LibreWolf when it appears. At the top, you should see an option that says Make LibreWolf your default browser or a Set Default button. Click that to switch most file types and protocols to LibreWolf automatically. If some items remain assigned to another browser, you can change them manually. Scroll down in the LibreWolf Default Apps page and click the current app for.html, then choose LibreWolf, do the same for.html, and if you want PDFs to open in LibreWolf, change .pdf as well. Also change the HTTP and HTTPS protocol entries to LibreWolf. If you don't see LibreWolf in the list, make sure it is installed and launch it once before trying again. After you switch defaults, close and reopen other browsers or apps to make sure the change takes effect.